The new Windows 11 Start menu is bigger than ever, but not everyone likes the extra space. If you prefer a cleaner and more compact layout, this video will show you exactly how to shrink the Start menu and make it better fit for your setup. First, open your browser, search for Windhawk and install it. Next, search for the Start Menu Size mod and install it. Go to the Settings tab and adjust the Start menu's height and width. You can set the values anywhere between 666 and 850, depending on your preference. That's all. I hope you found it easy. See you in the next one.